Hi besties, welcome back to yet another amazing video. So today we are going to be making oatmeal hair mask, okay, or oatmeal treatment. So this is my oatmeal. Benefit of oatmeal: oatmeal promotes hair growth by nourishing your hair scalp with zinc, iron, fiber, and omega-6 fatty acid. Okay, so this is the oatmeal I have, and along the line I'll be telling you guys the crucial benefit of oatmeal. So I need my measuring spoon, which is 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml, and you need a pot just like this because we are going to be boiling the oatmeal, and I'm going to be adding in like 5 tablespoons of oatmeal in the pot. Then I'm going to be telling you guys the benefit of oatmeal. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. So after adding in 5 tablespoons of oatmeal inside my pot, the next thing we are going to be doing is to add in water. So for the key benefit of oatmeal for hair growth, first, it helps with scalp, okay, healthy scalp growth. Oatmeal helps to unplug the pores and stimulate hair growth, creating a healthy environment for your hair. All right guys, so boil it. I'm going to be boiling this for like 10 minutes, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's being boiled. Okay, please put your eyes on your oatmeal. Don't just leave it and disappear because it's going to burn. So we need a bowl because this is where we are going to be separating the oat milk and the chaff. So if you have a cheesecloth just like this, a cheese bag, a wig cap, anything you use to separate your chaff from your water, you can use that for this recipe. Okay guys, so as this is boiling, I'm going to add more water inside this so that it gives me the quantity I need. So number 2, how it helps in reducing breakage. Okay, it increases hair elasticity and acts as a moisturizer, which helps to prevent breakage. All right, so the oatmeal is ready. I'm going to transfer it in my cheese bag and we are going to strain. This is quite hot, so you have to be careful while doing this. Then it also has its enriching properties because oatmeal contains zinc, iron, omega-6 fatty acid, and vitamin B, okay, that strengthens your hair. It smoothens your scalp because it has anti-inflammatory properties, okay, that helps in smoothing scalp and irritation. So as you guys can see, the oatmeal is really hot, so I'm going to using this spatula to squeeze out every milk so that I have enough milk that will go around my hair. All right besties, so I don't want it to get cold. I feel when it gets cold, it will be much harder to separate the chaff from the milk. So that is why I am doing this at its hot. So please be careful while doing this, okay besties. So after I have squeezed out to my satisfaction, I will transfer it back into my bowl and we move to the next thing. So I am done, and this is what we have, and I am liking the consistency of the oat milk. I'll call it milk. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a light oil, so I'm going to be using coconut oil for today's recipe. And I'm going to be adding in like little drop of coconut oil into my bowl. So key note, please note that this oat milk does not cure alopecia. Using this consistency like once in a week is going to help you to promote your hair growth, okay, and your hair texture. Hi guys, so I just finished making the deep condition. The reason why I made this deep condition, for the past 1 week I have been spraying rice water on my hair, so I want to put moisture back on my hair since last week was all about protein. So this week, welcome to a new week. This week is going to be about moisture. Yes, even though I was still using my leave-in condition to keep my hair a bit moisturized. My hair is not strong though, My hair is not strong. Sometimes when you put rice water on your hair and it dries out, your hair can be a bit strong, but my hair is not strong. But I just want to put moisture back on my hair. So this is my hair after 1 week of spraying rice water on my hair. This is the result. I told you guys I'll come back and give you a result, and this is it. Rice water, does it work? Yes, it works. Is it harmful? If you overdo it, you can spoil your hair. So you just have to be cautious about how you spray it on your hair. As I said in my previous video, I did spray it like today I spray it, tomorrow I skip, next tomorrow I spray. So there was at least 1 day interval before I spray it again on my hair. So this is my hair after spraying the rice water on my hair for a whole 1 week, even though the rice water is not yet finished. So I'm going to just throw the remaining one away because it's over 1 week now and it's not spoiled. It's still smelling nice, guys. Like, the rice water has not spoiled, it's still smelling nice. But I want to move to another thing. So I have washed my hair yesterday. I washed my hair and with my biotin and collagen shampoo. I have been loving that shampoo so much, so I washed it with that and conditioned it with that yesterday. Then today I want to use this oatmeal to put back moisture to balance everything. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not, share with comments, and let me put this on my hair. Here we have my mixture. As you guys saw, it's just only oats and then coconut oil. That's it. You can still drink this thing though. You can still drink it. Oh, I forgot to bring nylon. Let me go and get nylon. My nylon and pack. So I use it to pack it after application. So I would have used this thing like banana and what do you call it again, and avocado, but as I don't have that in the house, I went for oatmeal. Seriously, I can't wait to lose this hair. I'm already growing tired of the hair. Even though time have not reached for me to lose the hair, but the rate of the growth is just something else. So now as my hair is in this stage, what I wear now to go out, I wear wigs. I wear wigs now to go out. I don't carry my hair like this to go out. Even if I carry it like this and go out, it look as if I'm carrying dada or dreads, but I'll just wear wigs to use it to go out. I have applied everything on my hair. It's empty. I'm going to look at the mirror to see where I have issue with, because I don't have mirror right now. So I'm going to go to my restroom, check where I have issue, mix everything together because I've not seen what I'm doing. Then I'll be right back. So I have checked, no issue. So let's mix, massage a bit, just for a few seconds. Then I'll wear my cap, my nylon bag on my hair. If you have your shower cap, use it. I like using nylon bag because it's what I have. clean. If you have nylon bag, make sure you smear your nylon bag before you put it on your head, that it is clean. So I'm going to using packer to trap everything inside. Then this is going to sit on my hair for 30 minutes. Then I'll rinse it out. This will sit on my hair for 30 minutes. Then I'll rinse it out. So guys, I am done. Washing my hair now. Okay. Done. This is what my hair looks like. This is my hair. It's getting right. Like, I was checking out my old videos and I was like, my hair has literally grown. Okay, like my hair has grown very well, more than before, guys. Like, it has grown more than before, and I'm really pleased about everything I have been doing on my hair. If you're also following my journey, let me know in the comment section, how is your hair growth? You doing mini braids? Okay, I would like to know that. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.